it's Katie, and I'm doing another video. And I'm most likely not going to be able to be a member, which is going to suck. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to the diamond shop because I have 7,600 coins, 77 tickets when we don't even have the summer carnival, and 5 diamonds. So let's go. I want to go to. How can you click on this one or this one? You can't click on that. Okay, let's go to the diamond shop. Can't buy those, so I don't want to buy those either. I'm probably going to buy. I don't want to buy the armor because I can easily trade. I mean, I already have these, but I can easily just trade for this one. So I like these stuff right here because they're cool, interesting stuff. I don't know what a snow cloud is. I have two of these. I have one of those. What is this? It's a cloak. Hot chocolate. I said cocklet. The hot chocolate machine. Okay, we're gonna buy Snow Cloud. I don't know what it does, but we're gonna buy it. We're gonna buy this anyway because we're going to use it somehow. I don't know. I think these pets are adorable, by the way. You know, there's this cool trick where you can click on them, and then you can actually decide the colors you want. So, like, I do like red and blue, or red and pink, or whatever. Hard eyes are cute. Curl. Fire's cute. Fleur-de-lis. Star pattern. Rainbow pattern. I like that one. I want this. Go to the heart. And then you could see dog. Okay, but yeah, you can't do that because you have to have. First of all, you have to be a member. And that's why you can't buy any of these pets, which are so adorable with the cheetah. But yeah, we're gonna go home. None of my buddies are on, and I have 13 of them. My name is Katie Cupcake 1205, so if you want to be my buddy, I will accept. Okay. It does snow! That is cool. There we go. Now we can walk in. No, I got a better idea. Snow. So watch this. I'm going to redesign my den. How about that? Here you get to watch me redesign my den. Perfect idea. Okay, we can have a mailbox up here. This might take a little bit. We have this over here. I already know. I'm not getting rid of those pillows. I kind of need. Now I can trade that for some. I like the little cats, the kitty cats. Golden cats. Put this over in this wall. Since we only have this is a small wall. Or I can just go right here. Yeah, it goes on that wall. You don't have enough room there, so we'll put it here. We can put our pillow here somewhere. Back here. We have our rug. Go here. Oops. I like our flower. It's going to be spring over here and winter over here. No, better idea. Spring down here and winter. Nope, spring up. Yeah, spring down here and winter up there. We also have a window. Yeah, do switch these. The window goes better over here. This goes here and here. I'm gonna sell half of these things. I don't want those bagpipes. Like this screen. Screen. Actually, I don't know what to do with the screen, but I like a circle. Circle over here and back here. Circle goes back here. Because out here is a seating area. I'm gonna have to sell those benches. I don't want the benches anymore. There. Welcome mat. Put our lounge chair over here. Actually, let's put it inside. Carpet, I don't need it. Game. One game. Portal crystal is gonna go over here. I feel like I have millions of things. I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish this. Let's put this over here. Go with our crystal. Which buddy are we gonna add? Let's do Quincy. Next in portal. We're gonna give this to G-Money CO4. G-Money CO4 has a YouTube channel, and his is G-Money C. Do subscribe to his channel as well as mine. Table. I'm gonna go over here. Their pillow. Our plant. Gold pot plant. Looks cool though. Firework. Go over here with her. He's over here. We don't need a tree. We can have a rose though. Pretty rose. Some more video games. Donuts. I should just sell this. And we can buy another one. Carnival lights. Okay, that's it. Except for we have our new cloud that's somewhere up there in the lounge chair here. Why don't we stick our plushies on it? I had more plushies than these, but if they're not cool, I sell them. That's what I do. Or sometimes trade them. But a lot of these things I'm just gonna sell. Yeah, let's just sell these things. Okay, we just gotta get our snow cloud first. So this will be part 1 of my den. Do subscribe and everything. Watch out for part 2, which will be coming soon. So do watch that and my other videos. And subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.